TV morning media and Uguso channel ewo Coastal TV digital channel no so 514 and also say Facebook and YouTube and yes also Emma wakwa babiem about Coastal TV morning media no so me da said lights ni do me no once say we video no na once say channel no na odaswa ewo ha yen so media no so na efe yemfa kase boka kra yen saka ewo fi ha say no yemfa ento etefo ene ahwefo nyina eni bomoden se obe link no so wonsa kan che send fa mo bi na ye nyina yentimi enye echefa ewo morning media no emu anapei ensama wo beti no ebi eni se World Hepatitis Day e course so ewo Adisado Urban Clinic no penfo edensem bebre ene to manfo anim anapei ye bebo bi ama wonso wate sanso ena Cape Coast Technical University CCTU empaying for abomode ehhehia essential for bebre na ewo mfimfi mantem say eno mo atwetwe nkomo be ena e course so yebeko ne akwakotie bi anopen so ka me ho na yemfa for prizes anaso se fa wo ebo no yemfa emrew sanso ena yebeko akohwe enopen senie ewiemu besi aye weather forecast no dia de bebre nti bomode ase onsa wa fidie no emfie ase midin AFIBA ESSIEN Mamenshase ewo World Hepatitis Day a day we are sefane nyina eyisi ho se yemfansi woni yemfani hepatitis yare no na hepatitis A B C D de na eka ho nyina no penfo bomoden ebo ho dehuru na mfimfi mantem hanso yenya ye chefa enkanka ogwaman meka clinic and also hospital ewo Adisado Urban Health Center ho ena dwumadie ni nyina course so ewo ho penfo ebodwa na Regional Health Director owuraye anane ebepie ase wo ho na nyema bebre ne nsem bebre ena penfo ekaye ntino nsem bebre mpo na nkofo kra enim efa hepatitis ho no omubie so edanadi eche omanfo Coastal TV bomode pini dwumadie na se anaso se yekoye live coverage ewo ho ntise wantimi ahwe mi mpo ameka wo se obetimi akoye channel no so na wakwa akohwe na Regional Health Director mame achiama anane ebepiem wo ho na ode ensem bebre na ena duto Coastal TV ene ahwefo ne omom kopie wo nyina enim okasa no ena ochemu se emom mfimfi mantem hade se ba ne se ye ko hepatitis yare na in fact yegina na so ankasa na directors ne so ehwe se bibia ebededa na kwem
ene day we are seeing ye BB friend World Hepatitis Day celebration, and we are creating awareness about hepatitis. Oba Ghana hanoma numbers ne kosro. Oba Central regions so unfortunately no numbers are yenya for more hepatitis either B and C is so kosro, and you won't say in pre-pin and go for be bats. They are not getting tested. And once they don't get tested, they just are seeking for help. And for this activity, the ESSIEN say, or there will be a status for viral hepatitis, or there will be a status for viral hepatitis. The best way say, and they over decided a free testing for today, but after today, no any day be a person who status no. But me ko any facility, hospital, polyclinic, and health center say. Person who status on by check him. Vaccination were around. Until vaccination pan your hepatitis B. And you know what was a vaccination? So ya will be a emremuno or send pan or a crown, you're vaccinating 3 times when they are babies. But after that, no, it's expected some immunity for hepatitis B. Is the time of hepatitis B you introduce so average those who are between the age of less than 30. So be our medical way in Biano, we are expecting say at least the person is immune. But then you're 40 years and above, and we didn't get that vaccination at birth. It was say status, who status not say negative. Then you better encourage you say obey vaccine. The vaccine, when you go to the hospitals, polyclinic, health center, the vaccines are also there. But unfortunately, that one is not free. You have to pay. And that's one, 3 doses, into your first dose, second dose, third dose, before you can be immune.
Madan pa no so tutu anamo be pie mu ewo Adisada Urban Health Center na okabo yina ekabo mu edi eye World Hepatitis Day no eye owura ofosu na ono so ede ensem bebre eto Coastal TV enim na oboya mane se in fact vaccination wo ha ebeboa ama hepatitis ya yetimi etu ase na mum no wo wentimi anko World Hepatitis Day eda no wentimi anko ayaresa bi anko gene de ye kwa enim no wo se ebo modern na utiaka.
That is B. Anya no kwa ho asem ne ye ka viral hepatitis. Se ye kan hepatitis no ase de ye ma obi ahu ye no. Ye wo emu different types. Na ne nyina no se brebo no ehunu a ene ye frɛ no hepatitis. Na ebitime ensan edura ye nom ene ye wo de emuawa edeba. De emuawa deba no emu de dangerous pa ne ye B and C, hepatitis B and C. Ana yamu bi ati asese silent killer. Ebetimi adi ho ebetimi ache wo mu for a long time na wo hu ubehu no na obrebo no ase ebetimi nya liver cancer ebenya brebo no behu liver cirrhosis ebetimi enya na strategy ye epa ne se abofra bia ye be woni bia no within the first year of life ye want vaccine prevent no from getting the hepatitis B ono na yaye no for some time na empanimfo so mo na strategy ye use ne say obi bia wo be test ewo ye hospital private facilities ye bi public facility ye bi wo be test negative no ye wo vaccines wo ho a ye de be wo vaccines no at least I was say wo 3 na protective ni nyina no ono nso so e wo various facilities no wo betumi aye na also ye health education bebre say ye create awareness so obi wo ho na say won ti bibia sia through our engagement with the community and marketing we mo no utumi eba na onsusu abehu said the ekoso ewo region no so far through vaccination is doing well but ye encourage obia say wo first year of life Cape Coast and then the impatemo no bebre emfo momba parents bebre vaccination eba we dey minim we dey enyahwe but tamu abewo obi arebia no one o prevent no say onya yare ni bi obo yare no ho ba say ebekọ form nti yebesiri obi say vaccination good obi amfa ne ho enhyem na yembo amyentu yare no asekra say enipa as many as possible wo mo ha no ye test obi free ewa edisa del ha enipa over 300 ye test wo mo nyina no free na ye testing no free no let's take advantage. The only thing is if we na otwe mu nyina kono antiki advantage you may have to pay obetuaka ansa no why test no and whatever the outcome say we are positive we are negative wa ayi ye no ebeboa we are positive wa de ebeboa ne say ebemu ahwe ho so ye aduane die edro num nyina no be careful ewo ho we are negative so ye be encourage you say e wo se panie no utime wo bi na prevent you from getting it but eniema adofon bi kekan ye say omo mbubu amamfo more omo a lifestyle bi a emboabo bebre no we should all be careful I was say yenhwe ye na yare no yenkofa ema ye ho it is real over 287 million worldwide vaccination issue and nipa bebre millions of people also die from it enti yesremo. Let's take advantage of the celebration na yenhu hepatitis status na yem prevent yenhu.
Madam Dora Jones enso ye apomudin edwumayeni a wagene din papa na ono nso ene Coastal TV etwetwe nkomo na ocheche mu eniema ahodo bi nso a ebetimi ama obi enya hepatitis yare bi na osanso ebo manfo kokose obi amomodin se obetwe ne ho afisa ne manema no.
Our friend hepatitis no first of all na seeing the mbrebono ahun ana oyere na eba no botum za ba onyinyi de obi a owo dam yereba ne bi yenye ne beda ye hunsu an befra another wobe ma he moja bi a wan hwehwem na nipa oye ne moja no owo dam yereba ne bi ana so ya yendiye bi nye de wuti ya uya kakra o se o ida me fapara na ro fapara na ro fanduro nyi da o fa ni na o ma pressure ma mrebo no.
Madam Dora, Kasano so or can send be a skin bleaching, a ahoporomoa, ya mode, unkune, a drone in your manemaka, a porporamo, Hunam Sanabaya, send Hunam ne Tuntuma, a bear cocono, or can say, and also a idea about coins at Pembe Bruno, it's me a side brebono, na a mo be in your hepatitis B, and the area who don't swan a count. Now, we and is a ma okay.
Say yes, here, my why you fit into your report. Now, a porno so be what and do not know show because some of the chemicals some people use no bimpo or mercury. Now, wait, they about to my quack say rebel. Okay, be soon you there about an hour yerbano nebia a woman or that man say one war pandy and quintiana. Yeah, it's a bit soon you there, yeah, body no yenny padriano. So just a woman instead there wobe ye court na wabo ye ho ban no we hwe na body ni soldiers no woro against themselves or today country or ye cool na ni soldier fo wore say nyama damn naughty skin bleaching na ada ye research in hwehwem into ye me dey me de mo ho asi ho there Ghana high na mabo ho dewru na yeko schools na ze ba yen sheda yen nkrofo a wo bo ahen ita ama yen pace anka yes yet boko Ghana afai na no akofum na se nkrofo pede wo bo ahen so ma ye tre hen che na ye beye binyin de nyama nkrofo se hu ne broni obai no o ma ye ta ase de bibia o ye tuntum no ye fe ana o sa abonsam ana ondimu na bibia o ye kokko no ono na o ye fe ono o se nyame no dimu that mentality no ama hemu bi still a ye hwe ye ho a ye fide ye pede ye broni na adini ye there ado ye fe ye ado ye natural wala onyimirika se ye tuntum so hu ye fe maso sebe me ye bad say inti wo pede wo po wo hu inti wo dindur ikru bi a ye popular e ya wo creams na ade wo friend hydroquinone nka Food and Drugs Board what's it 2% concentration is allowed. Bankofu ehun there 4% no otumo yi melanin. Na melanin ni eye nura nyame du bo hen ho ban. Onyim da odi here to the place I your friend the tropics I we are born into. As the melanin or ye antioxidant edura okuntia kokram. Or that she free. No ma ye tuntum. Bibifu ye nkuti na nyame da damad na ache here in good amount. Ono na ye for down creams na da. Oye melanin if here epidemic skin no what 3 layers. Upper layer no is highly concentrated in this melanin. Na yere paper. Na say impomo ha drink there. Binum woro por ho ba no wo ye fu na won wo no. A painful woro no medu hydroquinone na our friend them glutathione dey a duranka doctor for certain conditions about for 500 milligram. But when hun there over 4 times otumo yi melanin fi umojem. They are taking 2,000 milligrams just to bleach from inside out. Now damno ubanampo no you are predisposing that child to cataract blindness. You are predisposing that child to a lot of things. Mercury na nkofu reuse. Now mercury no what say ube use umpo chemical agents more for cosmetic effect. You can use just a trace. A trace nature they would me million of famuko. Not the men use to cry. Also were use more chain them. So who will be about one another by nina or yinsa or say yambrabo or skin bleaching. It predisposes us to hypertension. It predisposes us to diabetes in your pre titu kokram. Aha. It's a kakra mekanyin then ye na yenja ahumpor. Na ye hu na ya ma yetina ye hu ye fel.
Mame Dora Jones ena yete se oni Coastal TV ebo enkomono na enra sa wokopie mu ewo Cape Coast Technical University eye CCT wa na chese ensem bebre na ekos wo ne ekos wo ba kon eye dwumadie bi a yato ne din se press soiree we no eye enkabomudie anaso se nkitahudie a CCT umpay for any essential for ewo infinfi mante mechinchi ne benche nyina ekabo mu na omuhia edidi wo mo ho enkomo na emra na vice chancellor Emma CCTU professor Kweku Adichum eyim boache one essential for etwetwe enkomo no na ochi mu se we no ebeboa Emma school no omonkita hodi a omone omanfo ewa abonten so edi no ebekọ animu papapa esanse se opese odwumadie bia ekọ animu na se wode eye essential for ebata ho a eboa ma nima bebre eyeye nti wei ene nsem bia keka ho binti na omopese omudi se odwumadie se na beya ebeboa school no ama school no ediye ni okaka ho binso no eni
management ya tena ase ne hu se yepese yenyin se na ebenyin ekuo ba kwa ebetimi ne omenyi pa eye media efitete no maboa yem pa nti na hu behia se yebesa auto yensa free media na yene mo abọ nkomo ne akyere mo ade a yaye wa ha so far yedam madam ma so mo ba ye nti enu ne titru ne se yepese yehu mute se yehu mo se nkofo am betimi aboa yen mo ye partners aye betimi ne mo abom na yenyin enu nti ne frem. Generally, no technical universities no yen funding no e firm kakra but aban aboa yen pa na say woma yenya projects kese mensa minister so a sheboso be ma yen 10 million Ghana cedis asa sheboso be ma yen 1000 bed hostel inti no government eboa oye ne obetimi aboa na yetimi the technical education akọ mbiambia pia be ma womo muhia no etimi enya na Ghana tumbo operation 4K ye project bi a ye si ni so se ye pese ye tre yen hiem na ye tre yen student numbers no nti no ye aka kire ho school ha se ye pese ye nya 4000 fresh students coming in for the 2026-27 academic year ye betimi atenase emienu ba konse betimi aboa mu na ya short courses the titrum mpo say one from short courses no se betimi aye degree or diploma related programs ebeboa na yinna se ne amekan yinna ye pese yin bom sa nti media no edina mu titru pa
Vice Chancellor Emma CCTU na motene kase o kasano yes ansuntu anamo na yenkopemu ewo University of Cape Coast UCC na ehonso na mpemfo abomodindi ne magu akwanu ahwese omanfo a abebe ye adwuma ama school no mfinhia bebre ni ebi mfinhia edionu 20 years 25 ne 30 years ekaka ho no obebo modin se ombebo mo abaso na oma mo amo shonko kra eninti no dwumadie no ase no ombo modin ehwe se obia ebeba beka ho se uye lecturer se uye cleaner uye driver dwumadie bi a wodi wo school ho na wotimi edi ama school no enya edin papa se no de na che se ese fata se school for mpanyinfo no ebebo omo abaso papa na dwumadie no ase nso no UCC vice chancellor professor Wolanyo Aheto enso ekire mu se we no edaboa ama omo a aka ekire nso etimi ahwe na omadi dwuma pa ede ama school no osanso eka nsem bi eka homa momientie bi
professionalism and sacrifices throughout their years of service.
Yesterday, Mom, I'm very, very, very generous. Especially to share pea-sized beds. Really motivating. Me pese me so me kakakra na me defo dia yempeng for abeka. Na yamaha se ye babe ye mo babai. Ye ba se for the exceptional contributions that you made to this university in various capacities. Conservancy laborers, cleaners, Mwamba Ambema campus na Fefa, lecturers in the background here. So, a friend is saying, other laborers, more lecture halls, facility managers, maintenance departments, and more uses a human air cost. So on behalf of the university management, the governing council, we want to thank you so much. The better also accompany, say Yankupon, Obeshamo, Obama, Patinting, Senya, Bibio Makuma Solomon Sabeka. We will continue to make sure that management will support the Pensioners Association.
Dwumadie no ase no eye mpemfo a aye adwuma wo UCC akyeye ebi mu enya citations ene fridges ahodo gas cookers cylinders ene enema omde besiesie omudem om bedroom ene ne ekeka ka ho bia opanye banko a ono so aye adwuma wo UCC akyeye pa eye owura kwadwo bosomtwa abododo na efe ne se Uncle Fee enso ede ensem bi eto ntantwefo anim na o kyeremu se nema ono so esua so say niema wafam ewo na dwumaye ewo UCC mu no on central for
decades of work at the institution.
Moshim crying there 80 na mabay but it a tray na damata mane invest upon on yaja edom wo ho mu nyina obia ko Lagos nti wonnam na wo hu yi small boy no yi na wa afro bra be ye adwuma na adwuma ne ye no so de na kwofo mpe nti asa wo de dada ho ne ye mu emu esichire atam nti every week bia watch the man nti oba na the magnet me ye magnet so sadamaza matinem wo sanem ko be ehwo mo ko so mi ne we ha wote ne jama chasin kakran o me start adwuma o secretary me fi wona mo ko maintenance me fi maintenance me bo gwa ho me fi ogwa ho mo fu ba kwa junction me fi kwa junction onye farm me fi farm me san ba back bi o maintenance nti wona me do wa ma da ba pension.
Wow, is it possible shey ehu changes bebre wo school ha dey
ehu changes bebre wo school ha the menyindira kamadwo menyindira nchede school butum waye kasada very good
shey dey ebe no ye school
kakraba kra administration ina no ya de mu de we si bad wonya na hwe 1917 na wonya na hwe wonya bibia ono no ye bibia bookshop ehwe na no computer 1917 na no computer but yamina adom enwo wo be no so mfi de wa abo maden kakran kakam school mu ade
simple show abria ayejuma wo school ha dey aba azina ebeke afa school no
na bongo han well lectures won also in the two UCC won so ogwa hall adeshe Atlantic na enwo de yi wa aba school a no kire oyi pepen ne room no so one man bia one room enti ana so oba na mana wa bobo box wosi so bia na kwana no enti ame na me yi border enti I me year 2 years was in the free na if you am commentaries
enti posha aba asim na pede ke chobi ama na oba start na ejuma wa ha de opedo yeti ga
masuma ma ka chen wo de ahweye we say invest no siwan ebe wadwen de won waka but nya sama ebe hu ne wo honwe wo so bna de ahwer osiwo sanframa mmoya ebe ka enu mu yedin but sanframa bobu no eso ahwer nu nti na da de ehwe hu ye ko eko yedam aye mo be de me 40 bala akon ekofie yesa ono nchere waji wo yimiam nti asama medema munuanom yen wo hwe wo hu ye nsanom god we ade hye blasa enko yin daman ode igie awo wo yira wo ma mo won kan ma ho mbe sam no efo omwo afoto kra medema munuanom a wo so washa so mechi
when ensembia ekoso ewo UCC ebra na omo ye stand off party na ceremony e de ama nkofo a eye adwuma ache ewo suapom no hu eye na mpense sankofa yenchi enti maminsanso emfa nko eye Cape Coast Technical University CCTU na eye press adwumade a ekoso ewo hono eye Dr. Anthony Hercules Taxon ono eneye registrar ema CCTU school no ono so ede ensembi eso omanfo ekohia ho nyina anim na okire mu senti a eho akwakohia se school no ombedi dwumade bi a etise.
Purpose of this engagement is to strengthen the long-standing partnership between the university and the media, while providing an opportunity to share our vision, achievement, and strategic direction with the public. Vice Chancellor, I must indicate that this press soiree provides an opportunity to highlight the significant progress the university has made in academic excellence, infrastructure development, research and innovation, industry partnership, internationalization, and student support. It also allows management to engage directly with the media, respond to questions, and strengthen our collaboration in promoting the university's growth and impact. Ultimately, we seek your continued support in projecting Cape Coast Technical University, CCTU, as a leading institution for technical and vocational higher education, innovation, and entrepreneurship in Ghana and beyond.
Registrar Emma CCTU Dr. Anthony Hercules Taxon ena yete nkano sanso ena Central Regional Chairman Emma GJA Ora Kingsley Nana Bwedu enso ede nanu dinsem eto omanfo akwakohyiemu wo honyina enim na ochemu se in fact eyepa se CCTU otimi edi dwumade bi etesa na omonso omoye central for no ebe hwese ekwan bia so ombetimi edi omudwuma amane dimu ama school no akwanim no ombeye ne sa.
So grateful we've been invited here to speak with us. When we speak about Cape Coast Technical University and the media, we've had a very long relationship, and of course, it is still continuing. It's not just like that. We know how C-Poly began and where we've gotten to as Cape Coast Technical University. Most of my people are still within, and we are still encouraging ourselves. And we are hoping that in the next 2, 3, 5 years, we will see most of us also acquiring their doctorate and whatever. And I want to say that we are always committed in ensuring the development of the region. And Central Region is noted for education. And we know, apart from the SHS and the other we have, Cape Coast Technical University is one of the things that we hold dear to our heart and call the university and all of that. And I want to assure you, we're going to do everything possible to ensure that we even have to become the number one in terms of the technical university. Gradually, you are getting quality leadership that are overcoming most of the challenges that hitherto we came here to fight. What we want to say is that we are ready and committed to support the Cape Coast Technical University anytime, anywhere, and many of the programs I know you are bringing up, we will do that to surpass other universities. But for my media people, they are looking up to Dr. Bankwede. They want to have opportunities like that. They want to have opportunities like you. Give us the opportunity for prizes. In case somebody, any of our members want an opportunity to move, I don't know how started, how said probably the SSE or whatever it is. We have many of them, but I wish there will be a program that will take care of them. We don't know how proud we are when we speak about waiting. We are so grateful for this opportunity, and of course, we want to give you the assurance that CCTU, we are always with you and we continue to be for you. And so DJE, we are there.
Sansemi ena ensem bi so e ka ho e call so e wo press sorry CCTU paying for edihye so nano ya ene de ya Yentu akasebo no eso aname kai wo se eye Coastal TV Morning Mix dwumedie na oguso a wo hye no eye digital channel 514 Facebook ene YouTube nyina so no obehu ye ewo ho wo ensem fofom no eso yen na nim se afahye no ba na mpemfo ahyase eye amamre ne amane edi gu akwam ehwe se bibia ebekọ totin ade ba akoso a eye na edam mpemfo akoma so se omobeye pa na se omafo nyina akoma so se ye beye no eye ahonidie sanitation clean up ene ne ekeka ka ho nyina na dwumadie bi akoso eye fosu lagoon no emu ebra na Central Region bus stop boys eye omadwen se ombekọ ho na omakọ akoye clean up exercise ewo ensuonim na yehwe ne ekoso wo ho no bi
yetsefi fosu lagoon ebezo go afetu afeshe red ringo bus stop boys Cape Coast ogua care for nature ejuma yarboyin. This is the 11th one. We run take away containers, water bottles now. Sasuna is the 11th one. The 11th Mura from the Cape Coast Fosu Lagoon. You see? Mura This is the 11th one. Right. This is the rubbish we do. These are the filth. These are the mess. These are the mess we create. You know? These are the mess we create. 11th one. APF in Sunumo. Yeah. In Ramquatin. And I was saying something. When you pick the containers, you have all the brands. Bigo Cola, you have all of them. Bell Aqua Cola, Bell Cola. You know, they are all making money. Be careless about this. You know? But after making the profit, after making all the money, you care about where it all ends. The rubbish. This is what? Malt. Yeah. Amstel malt. All in this our Fosu Lagoon. Yeah, all this mess. Bell Aqua. This is Choco malt, right? This is Choco malt. A lot of them. This is what? Something, Azom. Something. All the brands are here. You know? This is what? Perla. Drinking water. After selling them, after making your money, do you care about where all this lands? We have Verna. You see, Verna. All of them after taking all your money, making all your money.
Wo afashe ensemi enswano eye ogwafetu afashe 2026 planning committee no e de krata bi ababetudwa mepese making kind na obi anso ehu ne ewo krata mu nti krata e ba abonten eye 28th of July 2026 na ochese omode ehye anase omabane dedeye ene eyie nyema bia ebekoso ene enam a yebechi no ewo nana kwabna fosu lagoon nimu na ogwa traditional area anase council no enso efo aso sa na ochiremu se ogwa traditional council any planning committee no ahye se ewo se efiti 4th of August eye eda benada ekopin Thursday eye 20th of August 2026 no bibia eye dedeye anaso se eyie ti ebeye eyie ewo mfimfi Cape Coast ha sei no anaso se obepesa obekwa akochenam ewo nanakobna fosu lagoon nimu no ehye edaso na chese yaban ne enya ade a wo se obia eyesa ne makeka kan ho asemi kopim se 20th August ebeso na ochemu se wo ye ankrankro asori muslimifo anaso mosques institutions anaso se wo run sports anaso se bar anaso wo shop ewo ogwa ha de abomodin se obehye no so se efiti 4th August ekopem 20th of August no sa ne manema we nyina no yabane anaso ye de ehye atoso eye dedeye kaatwe quarreling ni nyina no nya de wo so obi aye bibisa na dedeye a no ne se waso system wufa ne ka ho bonyum dede na nam kroma na se wo hye wudan wu na wo yempo na bomode ase ubejai fufuwo a wo be wo no 6 p.m. and say after 6 p.m. no bomode se wo nye bida wo fufuwo bi awa wo na nopa ana wo na ewia na ebo 6 say kin a mo bi amfa wo ma ensi wodromu okay na osanso ekire mu se sorry amu be pese mo be bo drums no mo den se drums ndie mo bejai na wo pese wo use microphone so a eno no bia nika kra bi enye dede bebre aha na bibia e fa ayie ho se wo ko mo chirio se wo ye den yo ayie niema bia so no eno so enye bi wailing na say morning say wo twa adwo na nkofo nam na mo su na mo tietiem mpacho obi anhya ne so say obejai na ne twatwo kran so eye say obechinam ewo fosu lagoon no emu no bomode ase onye bibia sa kopim say 20th of August ebeba na osanso eche mu say we no eye ade bi o so obi abomode say obedi so esan say wanya ne sa na asafo groups ahodo bia nso enenam ye mantamu ye mpotamu ehwe se obia ediso ntse wan ni so a omo be chew ama emra no eno adi na osanso ehye mu se nana kwabna fosu lagoon no sempo obebetimi achenam wo mu mpona ebeye na wotwemienu afahye echi ntine yedi afahye ne wie mpona na wotwemienu echi a date no ebeye precisely 18th of September 2026 and sana obia timi etuni nan esinsuo no mu se okwa akochenam ewo mu nti no si edi afahye ne wie mpo na still na ehye edaso nti obia amomoden se obedi sa emrei so kan so na hu se asafo companies no omo be nenam obia na wunnim wo mo ebi so na omo nhya atare e be kire se omo ya asafo companies wo hwa na omo apio so nti se wanni emrei nyina eso a waso be hye pa waso ebe hye enti wei efi eye Ogwa Traditional Council omune afahye planning committee no ana omo se yemfa ento obia enim hyene so date no eye 4th of August ekopem the 20th of August ana ewose sa ne ye nyina no obia abomoden se onye bi na so obechinam ewo fosu lagoon mu de eno no after afahye ni nyina no na otwemienu afahye ichi no still na no ehye no edaso nti obia momoden se obehye nenso afeya momodin na yonko edwaman so na anope yemfa for prize and answer fan wo bono yemfa ento yetiefo ne ahwefo nyina enimti ene date no eye the 30th of July 2026 no obomodin se okọ JP filling station bia na akakoto petrol 1 liter ebo no 15 cedis 20 pesos and na diesel 15 cedis 77 pesos then filling station and so emma petrol ebo no 15 cedis 20 pesos and na diesel no 16 cedis 46 pesos. Oko Shell filling station bi asa wo top petrol 1 liter bo no 14 cedis 99 pesos and a diesel no 17 cedis 98 pesos. Sanso and a Frames oil and asa Frames filling station ma petrol 1 liter bo 14 cedis 15 pesos and a diesel no 17 cedis 35 pesos. Total Energies ma petrol ne bo no 13 cedis 99 pesos and a diesel near 15 cedis 95 pesos. And a Benab filling station and so Emma petrol a bono 13 cedis 80 pesos and a diesel near 16 cedis 27 pesos. pesos. Star oil and so mile petrol ebo no 13 cedis 67 pesos and a diesel no 16 cedis 27 pesos. Now go filling station so ko pie mu wo ha petrol 1 liter 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel 1 liter and so 15 cedis 35 pesos. Pacific filling station and so petrol 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 98 pesos. Na petrol so and so on also as a petrol bo 11 cedis 98 pesos and a diesel no 12 cedis 98 pesos. We and filling stations are who do be aka ho and na obamode na okọ cityrate.com ubenya na ode aye wa ho boa yan momode na yanko Ghana Meteorological Agency for akache omonso se yemfa eye ewiem bobri emfa enso omanfo anim na ohiem se anopai de bosuo kakra ebe petepete kakra enso no be pete ento gidigidi anonso enye den na emom no ewiem be kusu na enso no apetia fine enkanka ya yewo coastal areas yi de yen hu ne se ewiem enya de bebie amaye anopai na ekọ eye ewiano epie kakra no so de ewiano be pie kakra na ewim so ayekusu kakra nte be on and off sa ewo coastal areas any omo baby to say eastern region any Ashanti mfimfi honum so de be on and off kakra so e de ama wo mo san so na yekọ enwumre no so no ensuo no ebeto kakra ewo eye Ashanti region ne Brong half northern region ne omo mfimfi ho no nsuo no ebeto kakra de ama wo mu nti obi amomodin se obehye no nso mene wa anka mi pie kwa me umbrella ebehye me bag mi san se unnim ne ebesi ne mom bomodin se wati wo has Coastal TV no ode beye wa ho boa na ohu anko chew ha na mane nkra bebe makwan ema ye de Coastal TV anopa kase bono yede ni nyina abano ewe medase se obo mode na otina ye nchen kan hu se Coastal TV morning mix ye wo niema bebre a yede ebrew nti bo mode se wonye o channel no free 514 digital and also say on switch from baby a wo share wo Facebook and also say YouTube bo mode na follow ye share link no so na famaye mami twa me ho na me nkwaje aboa fon cracks o mbra se me ba ne aka no nso no me biebie matrim amanajo se ne be ya ebe ye wode me kwa basisia.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol anafa ngo no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone ewo wapomoden sem so fango nso eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won kwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuo tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafa ngo no e na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuo tank enya akwanhia ne ho agwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone e wo apomden sem so fango so e ho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom ama na gise ewom e ba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpo a hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
Misa me mawakwa babiem eba Coastal TV Morning Mix Jumedie so channel no that's why digital 514 Samsung NIA live and colored e Facebook Miss Rewada bomodi ansa wo beko no aka subscribe follow share the link share the link Miss Rew yes afa mama. All right enti no yento aso na efe yemfa newspaper na say de ubonkrata yensa kano yemfa emrew na ansa na yebeye sano mamemfa enkaiboi entwem ansana yatwaso na uweni so ade hunu bi se opese oye professional broadcaster and also say oye news reporter presenter and now opese uyisi camera na utimi edit twamfoni twa videos professional ones and now opese onye video editing opese wonsua sa anima we nyina dia ene we eye kwanya sonko kra Edemau. Esanse Coastal TV Multimedia Productions yede 6 weeks intensive radio and TV training program yede bro. Natio we know sane ebeboa na ye the tools and equipment and the facilities na ebeboa ama wotimi esua ne opese wosua bia presenting news presenting, news reporting, video editing, camera works, nini nara yebechro ewa hase. Na sa opese usia tinesi gather news, yesimi news news gathering, news reporting, radio and TV presentation. Inti kanza man ka say TV presentation kwa mi radio and TV presentation. Okay, and our camera works and video and audio editing. Sanso and a news writing no person show news professionally. It's me posting our news graphic newspaper more. And no one say na make voice training and diction. Kwa befa so be moderate voice. Bibi wo ha wo say o man high pitch asembi wo so won kan low. Sembi won so wo so won fa reho kakra mbata won fon fa enije nka ni nyina ye be hwe wo ha say. And interview techniques to kwa befa so interview will be na wotimi enya topics no we choose no the objectives lanka so wotimi enya no enya ni ye. Okay, digital journalism e fan social media, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, X this Meche X formerly Twitter then e ka ho nyina no bra ha say opesa media ethics and media law eye emra eda media ejuma ho on say enye nsem nyina na obetimi aka e wo media ne so enye ade ye nyina na obetimi enye ne ye nyina na obetimi ada na di e wo media ne so nti wo so hu ne wo sa wo ye ne wo se wonye do's and don'ts nti mpacho ni nyina ye be chiro e wo ha say nyame ya adom na otimi fa ye 6 weeks ni nyina mu na unya wie u complete say kima wo akonya ne se obeye internship ewo Coastal TV and also say opesa obeye TV na pesa onye radio nso a ye be ma wakonya no ama wakwakoye ewo radio station ye be hwehwe e de amawo enye se wo be stress wo kra yanka se be ye e de amawo so wo performs ne bi afa bomodin se obeba Coastal TV o hwe Coastal TV a ye wo Pedu Morocco Park oju Morocco Park no so pe se ofi abra ena wo ba eye wo left hand side e kwan na da ho no obi sa obi asa wo Coastal TV e be chew na se ofi Bedingate side no so ena wo ba right hand side eno so o hwehwe Coastal TV a yenye ira kwan kra Mr. fa number we na opese wo ba for the o hwehwe opese direction and say open inquiries bia further information bia na 0246 731 371 what's the number na 0246 731 371 na free na your mouth direction and answer inquiry bia na open about a media training program no ye be providing nyina ede amount Coastal TV multimedia productions also training the next generation of media professionals. All right, and no aye enkarbo to ye di etwam e de amaw efu ampoma Delphina AFIBA akwa aba me de also it's the same na me na do so mensu me hoye eja uja mi ya obi ama me pesa me so last week uja ne de stand me kwa fe etwam ana me ho aye mo bosi o be na aye mo mi hu dia na on nam TV no so wan no dendende wo awala awala ho aye mo yo yes I babiem and going forward and of course you can trust us to bring you nothing but the best into an yemfa newspaper no yemfa nhyase na the Hawk newspaper and they share newspaper review no I say one member one vote is here. Supreme Court forces parties to open up internal elections. First no nanka party elections sane nanseya fancy 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago MPP for ekoye omo internal elections omudi party executives ne ade nanka for only a few selected few nti yahwe for mo bo mo homodin wo party nim recognized faces e bia utua reduce every now and then any painful bia omo eneto sahaba no into ground grassroots for ne de na nka omo nhyeda enya sa akwanya no ba se ne de Supreme Court say efiti enne eko party elections MPPO NDCO akpaluo the force wo hwan o mujina obi a obeye party elections bia no omiem ema ground and grassroots for no yenso yentimi nya ekwanya ne yenkoto aba no ebi nti we aye asema Supreme Court aka ato se yemfa nya edwuma e wagana say yes there
Mijidi say Supreme Court no eden hyehyere we ba so that sikatua yenkrofo mutuetue ato betwa na ojidi say omo bie mu say obia me participate still that thing is it going to be there and ever stop it right
sikatua and even general election krankrofo tua
yes
and no na the whole Ghana na obeka say bia nipa no ntimi ncheska ma the whole Ghana kran still na nkrofo tua o be so ncheska enye we na bebu na bam den ya obetia first na bia selected few nti no bia ankon spend this kakase but say no obe spend this kakase nti obedwe hu mienu say is it worth it and say enye worth it but at least we no so ever provide the opportunity for obi ha or your staunch party member pa but onya that opportunity and make party decisions but you not selected few no can make decisions on her behalf or say I was so gentle but we no be ma opportunity ama party members na aka no on betimi aye and I learned when so no ESSIEN ebe actively involved. Into we no enye just for party people. Electoral Commission of Ghana, and also so the Nubejimpa, because also making sure say the whole Ghana will be at Waban. So you can imagine, Yabako in Krasen, send in general election the same way and the Beba this time around.
Because even sometimes no delegates no more choice of leaders no enye near a grassroots for
exactly.
There are some conversations going around and so say this one Ebeboa Kennedy.
Kennedy Japan.
Because I say Kennedy Japan delegates no shadam peno.
Okay, but
grassroots for
a penasem. Okay.
And also just any
Ebeko. I mean they can favor some people. Say go for pewasem na gurus yi pewasem na be mo worry. I say obia pewasem no obia eto abani bia. All right, yenhwe ne Ebeko akosi. All right, worst language policy ever. We here assembly Professor Bodomo fires warning over foreign languages at KG level. Ochemu say the worst language policy ever. Now, Dolphin, I want to say no, yankwala no ombesua Chinese or basic level.
I didn't hear.
As for their reasoning, I do not know. But I believe say on say irrational economy is say no, the world is becoming more and more of a global village and part. Into no Chinese language, French language, any English no. Of course, we can say that we are proud Ghanaians, and so we are going to learn Ga, Fancy, Chi, Hausa, and all, but we are not going to remain in Ghana forever. Yes. Many of us are going to travel outside the country. Into no, even our footballers, yes, and don't outside that. You better expect to say on this many outside world now interaction. Into say a month me the basics our Ghana has say also we are calling out Kasa very much easy than say we pay near. Which as I say me Duolingo French and then up to now my process and AFIBA and Kwana Bitimika.
Duolingo send no message.
We see or mommy has to make
now, with Wayne, there are lots of conversations around it. In Crawford, I say, a dear intina, say, Bessia, or before language. But then it's high time Ghanaians, yet, say, Ghana is a developing country. Yeah. We will need these people. So it will be best for us, say, we are Ghana now, it's a Chinese, it's a plus for you.
Oh, yeah.
The number of opportunities and things you get. I remember my roommates back in university. She started learning the Chinese at UCC. Okay. And right now she's so good at it. Right now she's working with the Chinese people.
Nice.
Very simple. French you are going to be very hot. Hot cake on the market. Here Ghana a developing country and yet developed. In Yamabi or I was say in penny for no the banana so.
Yeah, but this is not to say that ABIA Jaya they not work for video there be. But I was saying didn't na account. I was saying didn't account. ABIA Obeka say we don't want to say because some American Ghanaians and we have to cherish being Ghanaian. But we are not an island. Yeah, because even surrounding countries no more Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, Amoka French. And I English and I shame Finfi. Yes, other things and so account. So that is just what the Hawk newspaper I'm pay or the other.
Okay, and for Africa Today News and so uphold public service accountability. Kwewu West MC and coordinating director tell workers. Kwewu West MC or the Nsembia Betujana or bo public servants or abaye jumane nema. E was say jumanu uye ni ye na se wan ye ni ye na asem eba ho a e was say ye hold you accountable bibi biara wo ye no make sure say obebu ho akonta senior park for no komudi in the public accounts committee ye hu ejuma omobo omo bisa schools ne nema government institutions den the day of accountability beba ma wadwen ye say ejuma no ye ne kwa da bi accountability day ne beba obebu ho akonta. Okay, Nungwa Manche faces fresh trouble as Osokro no youth issue warning. Okay, me say mentimi ho sibin so koso ewo eye nungwa mebunu ne eye omohene no em say asem kakra ewo ho eno ho asem ye de bebre mu later. Yes, Gamanche drives investment push for Tema oil refinery. Okay, Gamanche ono so de enyema bi tutu akwemu a ebeboa ama funds omenya sika ede aboa eye Tema oil refinery no. Okay. Reports expose ARC Holdings new twist in Valco sale dispute. Okay, Volta Aluminium Company. Yes, and also a government institution, but as a privatizing na percentage ewo na and also in sembi APP mu efa a privatization ya pese omode ye institution we no nti ebi mo say omonti ase ebi mo so say adepa wo say omohwe na omoye. Okay, sudden loss of fire commander is a big blow to Bibiani and Huyasu requires MC offers condolences to family. Commander, fire commander or war Bibiani and Huyasu or Dani Benkum Soa one sorry. Yabema on any busian for a aquana. Yako, when shedding and Yame or none of them manner on one sona or sergeant dear into your munchitre or more. Okay. Grassroots urge delegates to back Dakuji for Eastern NDC chair. Send Kanka and grassroots participation. So say political primaries no enya their delegates no nkwana ebe voti obi biara constituency bi mun ono so ebeto abani bi na emese abeto dwa say so omoye ne sa ade a eye Dakuji or vie for Eastern NDC chair. So omoye ne sa na ade ebeboa ne pa. Okay, nti we ni Sambia ewo Africa Today News. All right, young local vista na DJ mbese obome mi to ashede ye de mi to ashede Kanta funeral halted by court order. Injunction stops burial preparations. Ane otiniye court edenensa ato eye Kantanka eye no eso. Ai, edenensa ato so. Tese no mo ya ma adwese mo kwa kosu mo ana mo kwa eminye hwe so mbetwi solo kudie but mo ana mo kwa ko pay mo respect mo amato mo sasa eda ho mo ammo kwa ko di jollof mu nyina no obi anko na onko tena fom everybody should go and sit down. It's answer court to say ye to ashede na AFIBA before the court e ka so mo di injunction to event bi so okay say nipa na or pray for that injunction no your man of boy be say ontua ansa no mo di injunction ato so. Yes, cause in most cases no preparations for the said events no are started. Okay. Money has gone into it. Some amount of money has been spent. Exactly. It is ultimately provided the amount. I'm not meaning say if it went that way. I mean pass friends and that lumba de na sa na call. Yes. Okay. And microphone intimi nya eho sika. Okay. Na AFIBA concerning a Kantanka issue. Okay. I say you had meka. Okay. Osha onkrofo ya sa issues we omuwu a insensem we bi ba after their death no mpapafo na omune different women. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. Asa we da makoma so pa e be say papa no se ba ni say e be say ya mu ntutu mu niema bi yie na mu ewu echi no ya na enyefe nsem bi wo hwa epie ba enyefe bu nse we maami we ne mba no ka say the other mother ono nso ne mba no ka different thing. It's a whole lot share rumba dey say na esi afi Kantanka nso sa na kwenti e besre ye janom ya ba ne that side ya munhwe na munye nyema yie maye na mokwa mo hayen pa okay be catch you say men are naturally wired to be polygamous. You are who? Okay, when ye chi na ye chose sere ne abasa na etu piem enim guase say ya enye fe obehwan so na enye small boys you
big men anka ejanko also mu nye wo models na ye follow no omuna
obi ka say papa obi wu ama nechi abe asase anka ye jindi aba it's a sad and it's very sad. Yeah. Looking at his legacy in Ghana now, it's in the same way it's even bringing down the respect we had
people have for him. Kabana was saying in the funeral pono, some national events bianca ye document simple. I mean, look at all these things.
Say AFIBA say ebaswa impact ananke was say
it will not have
it ceases. It sees
because me sure say our friends in more like international friends and kabia nkofo nkrampo betimi aba be hwe in papa na ye ni ade the kind of money anka ibusuempo benya no the kind of attraction it will send Ghana's name and all that your traditions and your culture ni nara nothing is that of that sort is going to happen all because of all because of no nsema wa court the nsatu so ntino anka Saturday nanke yenu baso but yenu enyama so. BEC 2026 results out. WAEC holds results of 2,722 candidates. Obiniyem rim. BEC results no pacho ababontin. Tiwa obacho BEC wonso awcho BEC no kona kwa check results. Nemum WAEC say nkrofo mako 2,722 results there or the nsato so. Watria sensen onyam fampie. Supreme Court strikes down delegate system. Parties ordered to open primaries to all members. OSP ruling. Baka Vomawo pushes for reforms. Lawyer calls for constitutional review of prosecutorial framework. Now we know as a way back when we said it. You can't pass OSP office more strapping off, more preparing for money for and a because this is Supreme Court ruling out. They are say even Attorney General right to say Otimi cancel out some of the cases are OSP ever presented. I mean it doesn't even make the office strong in the first place. It's no nyaba. All right. Insi anone local vista in sama anope odiaba.
Okay, and for 24-hour newspaper no and so Supreme Court scrapes delegate system, opens party primaries to all members. Supreme Court delegate system na idi kan ho asem na ya Supreme Court no eye fi ho enti sese ano obi biara benya ho akwenya ato aba ama onipa opese odi nenim. National Pensions Regulatory Authority CEO leads critical pension reforms talks at 7th annual APSA conference opens in Accra. National Pensions Regulatory Authority omu penye oda no edin hihye bia ba ebeboa ama insensem omu jumedie omudi ewo National Pensions Regulatory Authority no etimi akosuye. Gold Board pays full cost of hip replacement surgery for sickle cell patients. Okay, Gold Board nanka or sickle cell MSN or issues kakra or ne hip. AFIBA hip you can say you trim.
Usisibia.
That hip different so.
Hip. Usisi your waist. Hip
You befa ne say. If you go Gold Board omo tia sika ama sa nipa no say onye surgery na ne ho enso no. Now saying no as a government institutions no they're engaging in a lot of philanthropic acts. Yeah. They are helping people. It's a very good thing. Saying I met to say man also about more than say what the boa afufro any one eye in here or mono. Okay. Government says over 150 million in roadworthy contracts after renegotiation. Okay. And the roadworthy uko DVL utuetua no say negotiation bi akoso na ama aban no enya sika 150 million. Okay. Okay. Into when you send me so 24 news paper no. Okay, AFIBA.
Daily Times and so party delegates versus party members semi ababetua say na Prophet Shea Dia and so as a prophet Chedia urges Mahama to sign anti-witchcraft bill, calls for stronger protection for alleged witchcraft victims. Now, Prophet Chedia Chair President Mahama said, "Omomodena anti-witchcraft bill na ebeboa ema obi antimi nsori na ombo obi beyi wo Ghana ha say no mfa no ni free sa no. Ode ne nsa ebehya say on sign sane ebeya ebeboa ama obi a yebebo no ko edu say oye beyifuo oye anyen no emrano eni ni bedi." All right. Now Tamaklo, say NPP has lost its democratic mantle. And now come Tamaklo, and I'll say NPP amanyuko no Kamiwa Kabi, and Nia na or Mudanedino. I say a year ashe womo, a year free womo and sa. Okay. Supreme Court's ruling, a game changer. Dr. Hassan Ayariga backs grassroots voting. Okay, and also the same Supreme Court delegates versus grassroots in Semino. Albert Kobina Jum for AGJA national president in Foni Dahase was editorial. Private newspapers fight for survival while Ghanaian journalists are under pressure. And no, Daily Times on Ankasa ne Nsembia or the Etuja. Ewo de ubonkrata no anymore.
Okay, yeah, to us na share the New Trust newspaper. Nalaga Shanti region presents 49,450 exercise books for distribution to deprived communities. Jumeko bia from Nalag. Omabo omohomoden omode books ne enyema esuafo ebehia 49,450 exercise books or rather match ama communities are deprived communities senior ebeboa omo addition. Okay. Ashanti NPP constituency chairman's caucus to hold night vigil in hour of chairman moon to me. Afiba. Yes. Na say night vigil there obi free man and holding night vigil eman.
Oh, ebi aweno is in the like releasing kind of nice video, Anna. Sir, I mean, it could be.
For no. Ashanti NPP constituency, chairman for more honor. They are more hold a nice vigil. And Tiano le dream numera. Obi a big crack and a candle. Senya obi free my man no. Obi a big crack and a candle. But anyone can chairman wants me to say he's alive.
Maybe he's led to the party.
Okay. It was
I'm just saying maybe.
Supreme Court declares political parties delegate system unconstitutional. GFK starts campaign for re-election in Savannah region with massive endorsement. Okay. No in Zambia Koso Savannah region. Say re-election be ebe Koso ama omu etime omu penyufa. Omo beda omo ano ewo Savannah region no emu. Okay. Yeah, me fa the daily graphics twaso.
Okay.
Ghana Gabon deepen ties. Okay. Your president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, infoni da ha fe omo de nhihye bi abetudwa ebeboa ama ye ne Gabon ye nkita hudie njuma ye ne Gabon edino akoso. Supreme Court bans delegate voting. Okay, yaka and also assembly the facts behind MIFF's solid performance. Okay, and also say obo homodena unya the daily graphic newspaper na ubenya eno sem ewo page 29. OSP has delegated authority to prosecute. Okay, me say no so AFIBA e de sem AFIBA.
Yeah.
Transumaya.
Me share BB the spider has say na me share. Nime wo honi na yaka ho asem. Me call the Dispatch newspaper no so no kame say BB na yaka ho asem. Nemom asem ba ko a the Dispatch ase am pese me kan. Group heads to Supreme Court to enforce ban on consumption of dog and cat meat in Ghana. Then na oje ahome ekobi entom wesi wode omasema akwakoda in Supreme Court say kramai nam ene okranam. Me I'm guilty of the okranam. I don't know about kramai nam. I say yemfa ehye ento so yemfa ehye ento so ye bane e Ghana ha say. What do you think?
asem we no say enka omo champion no e voter region ye ni eni hu
you cannot tell me that there are people all over.
They should go start the all of it no in common the conversations surrounding this one. It was so almost share or cry there, and I said, I was almost share say, I will voter region.
No one's a camera.
No more share say, I will
not
almost how more I say, yeah. No more the results, no, baby.
We know in your address, Crama rear and no cry rear. It is all over. Ghana. Make come chiro obi on mama kan show so reclama because of course stigmatization was hard there no but nkofo re ankasa yes Southern has say on nkofo re me na make
na is it that oma detect say a virus be e wo krama ni we no man
enye a matter of virus be na bacteria be nemom no these two animals no specifically purposefully, if that's an English word, purposefully are meant for companionship. Okra and a dog. Those are two exceptional animals. Or more emotional intelligence no is on another level.
So a domestic animals.
You get it. You get it. So argue say a punching, a coco, double, and all those people. They are all animals that also have feelings. So if you are saying that we should stop eating dog and cats because they have feelings and they are meant for companionship, I can say that my pet is double. My pet is punching. Obi pet is punching.
Sir,
emotional
support. Now America you train animals on how to if I say underlying condition
yeah.
If I'm saying service dogs it is a underlying condition being as at all of a sudden in the moment the dog knows what to do to bring you back.
Yeah.
But Ghana, we don't have.
If we are able to get a system like that, it will be very nice. But then in the meantime, let's start with the companionship aspect. They are meant for companionship and not for chop. Into no group and say we should ban it. But let's hear what Supreme Court also has to say about this. I think some time ago there was a news about this that we are going to ban something like that. But I think now normally the court yeah. So let's see what happens.
Because Ghana system no one say abrochino or more shelter for stray dogs. Ghana, there were a lot of stray dogs and cats. Maybe we are Fabian, but cats and stray dogs. And then the people who consume it are helping to, get rid of them.
Is that your solution?
Yes, it's a good thing. It's a good thing because we don't have like shelters and all of that in Ghana here. I'm sure you shut down who say in one and Ambassa, your shelter. Pet control, animal control, no my best Ghana or pet control or animal control. You don't have
we have some more. We have veterinary.
Me whole video go take so and say obi friend say who fair animal control Ghana has say or what be the name future. E ka say so koku aboa no. Omo say koku aboa no. Ke abo chanka sankofo ubo hwa no ma bedru fie ba Ghana. No. So the consumers of these animals are helping in a way to curb their growth in society. So rabies they are not injecting them properly.
Yeah, that one
I don't think it's something that is going to be of very great importance in Ghana. Yes, but then who are we? Supreme.
Yes, it was Supreme Court has to say about that. Aye. Na ne tell some person get for newspaper ni influence na person any discussion be on. Na ma sha no pay ma scrolling newspaper ni nyinara. Me hu a single report on WAFCON. I'm not having seen a singular report on WAFCON 2026 and neither have I seen anything on Glasgow Commonwealth Games. Me catch them. Say national team me omo ntimi ankobo bra mo me yemfa ye support no yemfa ntai emma no ene omo Glasgow Commonwealth Games he say nkofo otumika nkofo huri high jumping ye friend high jumping nkofo swimming nkofo boxing enema bebre na ekoso tennis ni ade Ghana ye won nkofo mo represent we ho ye ewo ho enso anope I've not seen a single report in the newspapers. I am so disappointed in all of you. All of the newspapers anope I am so disappointed in you people. None of you reported on the Commonwealth Games, you know, any friends a WAFCON 2026. If it is in the middle of the newspaper, it is not on the front page, so I cannot see it. Don't come and tell me that it is in the middle. I don't have the newspaper here to open it to see it, but I know that it is not on your front page, and that is very, very disappointing. When we were playing the World Cup, when the national men's team were going to represent Ghana in the World Cup, all of you, it was all over. We can dedicate a whole segment to talk about Ghana Black Stars and what they are doing, but nobody is talking about the Black Queens and what they are doing. No problem, I'll do my own thing. So today, see, I'm wearing Michelle Ghana jersey, proudly representing WAFCON games, no, specifically for the Black Queens of Ghana. Kudos to you. Anyway, I think Cape Verde. Let me look for this one and for you people. Cape Verde, Echo Boy. Can you believe that? So new, so hooping new. Obia anti hohwe wo Ghana ha say obia nye dede. In fact, me nam town kra na me hu say obia gina vantage point share Black Queens wo screen so, but Black Stars again they bet you baby. So much for gender equality. I'm so disappointed in all of you, but it's no.
Let me see you newspapers na me.
I can meet me see o mo pa. I don't have money for lawyer.
If see money na.
I'm not paying my Miss Police abana so ka ho. You people,
even our parliamentarians, Black Stars or more bono, they did a representation in parliament. They were adorned in their black attires, yes. Black Star souvenirs and things. But then for the women, it's not the same. AFIBA, what do you think is the issue?
I don't want to say what is in my head, but I'm just going to say there has to be publicity about these things. These Commonwealth Games, Ghana is being represented over there. And a WAFCON and so cost. WAFCON and AFCON into Obianka. If it was AFCON, we would have heard it. But WAFCON into Obianka. And I make us say I'm so disappointed in the media because I've not watched all the TV stations in Ghana this morning, but I know that the publicity you people are giving to the WAFCON is little to nothing to write home about. Yeah, but a World Cup, no. You see, there was a whole ceremony where even Shatawale and Stoneboys Dams, they were donating money and all that in support of the Black Stars to go and play. There was nothing like that for the Black Queens. There was nothing like that. Media, obia any anticipatory broadcast on that, and I'm very, very disappointed. So please, we need to hypen the publicity around these things. Black Stars are near here, Black Queens 2-0, 2 against Cape Verde, 2-0. They have another game coming up on Sunday. This one is Sunday. Nyame Cameroon and Ebo. 2nd August 2026, 5 p.m. I don't know if that is Ghana man time, but 5 p.m. no more trouble. I say, go and watch it. Let's all give our support towards the women now or more bobo. Please.
Now we in Ghana male team no and a share will be 2-0 AFIBA Ghana and
you would have seen the Soloku World Cup. One just Soloku even in Cape Coast here. See the Soloku that went on. See the Soloku and I'm me by and maybe sir a member a studio has say what to say WAFCON no question how far obia and share WAFCON and I'm about Jimo dear obia ni mo share WAFCON and pay. So please, there has to be intensive publication concerning the WAFCON, the Women's Football Association. Miss Remo
AFIBA.
Yes,
I think say in the world at large, Ghana, the patriarchal system is something that we cannot do away with. Men are always the prize, which is also they are supposed to be the prize, which is also
not the prize.
Gender equality whatever men are receiving, we should also receive the same.
Because even all of football is even better than what Black Stars went to play. Where you are now, a friend saying, "Are you captain? Yeah, want to know what from Sene? Probably, and so you see, you will not see that in the women football or mobile. What you say? Concise, strategic, nice playing. And on where a pitch and so, but we. Nkofo ya no me 1 minute bia ya de bandage abo bi ti 1 minute bia ya so bi o a trailer so ye very
na AFIBA another issue am pese ye be kan about this WAFCON issue no.
Okay.
Most of the times a man no say omokobo ball sika ne ne manema e wo say enka GFA no e de mo omo kra na ye hye na mfa mo.
Thank you.
But for the men it's not like that.
On time.
I will say in Bema there no so some parts no GFA say sika sense mi nkoyie no. And so in Barney,
Debbie. You know the government can owe them, the association can owe them for like 5 months. No money to Omoka.
How?
I'm telling you. But if you was a man, cash and carry. No more. But look, the incredible game that is going on in this WAFCON game, just say Emmanuel score back to back. Nobody's hearing about it. Nobody's making noise. Everybody's just quiet. And you remember there and come obey the day.
And if you are in criteria, your assessment. Now,
from
time to time, you find a home. Details.
In sports specifically, I'm not a sports person. I don't follow football and things, but because of players, obi a number striker. What a striker is supposed to do, defender, you're number 5. No, you go.
This is a real definition of women supporting women.
Exactly. Because notes, me sport updates, correct one. No problem. But kudos to the Black Queens of Ghana. You are doing very well, and I just want to say that I see you people. We see you, and we are supporting you. Even though I know that some of the people they are supporting you, but one person made the day. I mean, I was but I know that deep down in their hearts they are supporting you. We are fully behind you. Go for gold for diamond, go for the best in one. Definitely, we don't couldn't break Hannah. It's your tamachi pa. Kudos to you. What's me a kibed for Samia? Play me Samia by Kofi Kanata. Now I'm found break. Yabana Fay, Naka now, so yeah, they are also. It's to be so, but my dear, so more if you another Coastal TV digital channel 514, Facebook and YouTube see a live or a Coastal TV morning mix. Jumede and Yadi Brewy. You try and walk out, but to see a bar. Naka now, so this was.
Ya chaja
I'm in fire and I'm coming.
Bye bye liwe ina ya dilmono Kakalika yeso ina ya sauma wanepe Bye bye liwe ina ya dilmono Kakalika yeso ina ya sauma wanepe Gano dende Black Stars dende Gano dende Black Stars dende Gano dende, Black Stars dende. Gano dende, Black Stars dende. Yeita mubi obaba na batene samia. Ya chaja mubi obaba na batene samia. Yeita mubi obaba na batene samia. Ya chaja. I bet the bell and the money, I need Jan and the money. I say, Kofi the money, I say, Mojan and the money. Winter in the money, and Stevie Nappy and the money. Robert Mesa, goalkeeper number 1. The boy, a beshe, Yensulo Biala. The boy, a beshe, Yensulo Biala. The boy, a beshe, Yensulo Biala. The boy, a beshe, Yensulo Bialo. Yeita mubi obaba na batene samia. Ya chaja mubi obaba na batene samia. Yeita mubi obaba na batene samia. Ya chaja. Ohini jana no money I say kofi no money asamu jana no money winter in the money Stevie Napi and the money Robert Mensah goalkeeper #1 the boy ebeshe Yesulo biala the boy ebeshe Yesulo biala the boy ebeshe Yesulo biala the boy ebeshe Yesulo biala
I'm for Frabo. This is about the 11th drop of rubbish at Yetefi Fosu Lagoonum. Ebezo Guafi to a Red Ringo. Bastard Boys Cape Coast. Cape Coast Ogua. Care for Nature. Ejuma Yarboy. This is the 11th one. You run take away containers. Water bottles now. Sasu now. Is the 11th one. The 11th Mura from the Cape Coast Fosu Lagoon. You see? Mura Mkotin Poto Mura Mkotin. This is the 11th one. Right? This is the rubbish we do. These are the filth. These are the mess. These are the mess we create. You know? These are the mess we create. 11th one. APF in Sunumu. Okay? In Ruanquatin. And I was saying something. When you pick the containers, you have all the brands. Bigo Cola, you have all of them. Bell Aqua Cola, Bell Cola. You know, they are all making money. Be careless about this. You know? But after making the profit, after making all the money, you care about where it all ends. The rubbish. This is what? Malt. Yeah. Amstel malt. All in this our Fosu Lagoon. Yeah, all this mess. Bell Aqua. This is Choco. Choco malt, right? This is Choco malt. A lot of them. This is what? Something, Azom. Something. All the brands are here. You know? This is what? Perla. Drinking water. After selling them, after making your money, do you care about where all this lands? Okodure Infant. We have Verna. You see, Verna. All of them after taking all your money, making all your money.
Video I will show you a clean up exercise be a course so a Fosu Lagoon no Emuabra na Bastard Boys a Central Region because a branch no we imagine say omoka koyesa NCC exercise ewo Lagoon no emu Nina in light of the upcoming afashe ya edi enemy ayeba ababedi na niatiane sa rubbers ni nwura bebre ya uhu so omoye free lagoon mu no. It has been in the lagoon for a very long time. Last year, yedi afashesa, but I don't remember seeing anybody say or kwako yis our robbers no a free lagunim. The thing is, ensure no say a free ye area mu say ye fear ni ade na e pia nwura ni nyina e de ko lagunim. But whose duty is it say obe kwako yi nwura ni nyina e fi lagunim? Are we waiting for something? Obi so on be maya na say obi first ye maya na say then this lagoon so no one very important part of the festival, because every festival we are bakatwe, I think that's how it's called. You see it's baka ana anyasa na mo freno, I think so ye freno. So it means that it forms a very important part of the celebration, but it seems very, very neglected. Yeah, that's what I think. It seemed very, very neglected. Was it last week? No, I think this week, Yana, you can say the government wants to put a ban, a person on banning a single-use platforms. Bottles for water, drinks, and all those things. Now, you see, I ain't mean something because most of the time they end up in these places, gutters, lagoons, and even in the sea, and on the coastal areas, no, on the beach. It brings a whole lot of complications to the environment. So this morning, the news first one yes, and so because we want to put more emphasis on it. A person ocean also ocean now who say we are killing ourselves as a country, and it doesn't even end with us. It ends with even the fish, innocent fish. Our tiny baby no grandpa yes, and so affecting the natural habitat and it doesn't look good. I just want all of us to reflect on this. Dream will be actions environment. Delphina, what do you think about this video you play?
AFIBA, such situations, it's as a result of indiscipline as human beings. Yes, in sure tonafina obi beshe bola ediegu bo ngata mu. Na gata nede kono ni baby a ekwa akoboa ano wo nim. And then moving forward, I think say it's high time abandon so ebe put things in place to make sure say companies manufacturing companies omo manufacture nyama we drinks ni nyama no say omo be share omo ejumedie no asea it was say omo a system of recycling to attach to it so that whatever thing they send out there no they are held responsible. Me we say first na pure water nkrofo bi around utimi boa pure water no omo ba no ma beje the omo the scam. I don't know if that thing is still going on.
Oh, so say they impossible.
And see, I think with regards to this, three mechanisms say us as individuals, the government, and then the owners of companies and all of that, were very integral role play as human beings, individuals. We have to be disciplined. It will say, in Sembi, who say, oh. Bola ni nyama me tutu gune nyama ehun na government so should put things in place to ensure say we have a well structured recycling system. If the government is able to put up a recycling infrastructure waste nyama ebeko at the end of the day na etimi attend into very useful product ehun be here. And then thirdly, to the manufacturers, yes, manufacturing companies in Yamaniamano, say, Ansan, a bem, and buying a bema or more a permit in Yamanima or Mudbe Juman. It was say, Abanon so say, they have like a recycling system, a system, say, product echo out be making sure say back to omo companies na omo so etimi de aye bibi fufuro.
Exactly.
If we do not hold these people accountable on that level, omo no niama na echo out no form because at the end of the day they are not affected in any way.
Yeah.
But then said so one bo omo say there was say omo some recycling, initiative be eka omo dwumedie no ho a. Omo so be put in a lot of effort to make sure say the rubbers and things that go outside, no, at the end of the day, if they are coming back, what are we also going to use it for?
Yeah.
It's so you go omo back na abochim ku o wa. Den omo be hu adia e wo say omo de beye.
That's true. That's true. Me know we are doing. So I think it's high time I buy no ebeye bibisa. Equal other countries ma omo was that policy.
Yes.
So we ton bibisa, we manufacture bibisa na. Or a system of recycling na. At the end of the day, one kasa obejeje bottles now they call no. At least ebia enye 100%, but at least ubetimi ajeje mu be 70%. Now they are baby. So I think it's in the right direction. I was saying paying for more than
outside they have a system where bottles in a machine be over.
Yeah.
What they while you walk to the place, you put your waste rubber materials into it. The machine gives you money.
Yeah.
Now they are got on the elevator, but it's not like that in Ghana.
Yeah.
And then a few who are doing it too, I'm very sure capital and in Yamaniama to open up the such initiatives. It's very difficult.
It's very
Bus
difficult.
Stop Boys, they are also embarking on a recycling initiative.
Yeah.
At the moment, there are facilities and then the equipment they are using and shedder. They are not very strong.
Yeah.
And also, their production is going to be at a slow rate. So it takes, the government to also make sure, say, when the youth and our people are, starting something that is going to benefit the country as a whole, government, some startup, capital, and especially Bus Stop Boys, they are doing a very great job.
Yeah.
And as our recycling initiative in some of their base, stakeholders and the other institutions are going to help them. It's going to benefit us a lot. Let me say, my video be na omode recycled rubbers no. Omode are done block.
Pavement block
rubber. It's made out of rubber. It's a very good thing.
All right. And no, I had a running crab and the Coastal TV morning made you Madini Naban and ECG 4% more Madini beam. So I was saying, Yen sorry in free her and Sadaka say, and come my award for National Petroleum Authority NPA, Diesel Gifts Shop, Patmo Print, and in Nesto Ventures. Sanso and Yabeda also I'll share and pains no, Yabeda was a papa, team no son pay no more a year, Jumano, a year, a J Ben, Miankasa Midi, a year. AFIBA ESSIEN me akasa me sister Delphine na ifo ampoma e na ewo fia say ya ye di dwumadie no ho hia me mama sanso enka wo say eye Coastal TV Multimedia Productions no ye de 6 weeks intensive media training no ye de bro mo de answer obeba Coastal TV fia na waba beje wo forms nyame adom na echina de papa bi echia ye be sanso e di ehia mu biem ye da se echina ye be hia